Hey everyone, this is Vipul from Team TEDx, and I'm quickly showing up this demo for the new app called LetSetCom that we have been practically using for I think over a year now to do all of the promos that we have so far. So ideally, you know what? Anytime when you want to do any kind of an affiliate promotion or a product promotion, it actually takes a lot of time from you to create a lot of pages and then add all of those conversion boosters to your page, which may help you drive more conversions, build your list faster, and actually drive sales as well. But we always wanted to know that what is the best way to actually do it, so we ended up making this dashboard for ourselves to actually do all of it in just minutes, and I'm going to showcasing you all of it right now to tell you how can you exactly build up pages like these, perhaps. So you see we have got so many products that we have promoted, or so many products that we actually own, and we have always relied upon let's.com to build pages for ourselves in just minutes, and these pages actually end up converting way better than those other ones as well. And do not really be amazed when these pages convert really best. So you see, we did all of this page, in our game with this all of this exit mat in just minutes, and I'm going to be showcasing you exactly how can you do this in a few minutes, on a daily basis if you ever want to do it. So without doing any further ado, let's come back to the dashboard and let me show you the dashboard up over here. It's the LetSetCom dashboard, wherein you see all your daily stats and the summaries, and the last few campaigns that you may have had created. So what I'm going to do is right now quickly go to create new, and let me first show you something called tab messaging. It's a really kick-ass feature, and I personally love this. What it does is it helps you bring visitors back to your page. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to say test demo campaign, and I could generate some random text as well, if you want to generate some random text, or you can just say, hey, you want to type it yourself, and you can also upload a favicon if you want to do it. I'm going to use something from my own library because I have a lot of them over here. So you can practically do all of it. You can also kind of click on add new if you want to do further messages. So, and you can just say, hey, please don't leave, and just use any of the favicons out there, and then you can customize the settings. So you can say, I want to get the first one in the 2 seconds, I want to get the next one in the 4 seconds, and as soon as you click on next, you can just say you can practically enter the URL of the page that you have in the contains tag. I'm displaying this up on this URL over here on one of my websites. So I'm going to be entering this keyword that I have in the URL over here, and I'm just going to click on go ahead and click save, and the campaign is like live in real time. So what I'm gonna do is just go here, refresh the page. Likely, I'm gonna exactly show you how does it look like, so how what chances does it make for you to be able to bring your visitors back. Now just imagine if I'm on this page, I'm just scrolling by the page, and what people often tend to do is they kind of move to new tabs, and when they move to new tabs, they obviously want to be brought back to those tabs, and you see, whoop, I got a message. It says, you don't love me, question mark, with a stop sign, and it says, hey, please don't leave. So such kind of interactive messages in the tab really work to bring the visitor back to your website, and they really work very kick-ass to help you ramp up your conversions by recovering your lost traffic. Now let me get into the other sales element. Perhaps let me show you a header bar with a timer, likely. So let me just say demo camp. Maybe and you have this template, so basically it's the position of the timer in the template. So let me use this one particularly, and let me just click on hello bar text. It says exclusive deal. Excuse me for the spelling. It's just kind of really hard to type in when you're speaking. Yep. So in this one, I want to keep the position as bottom. I want to keep the CTA text as claim deal, right? And as soon as someone clicks there, I want to redirect them to my offer page or something like that. I can use a timer template like this, and I want to keep a date and time based timer, right? And I can keep the ending date as this. Anything can be this. I just simply say hide the timer. I can choose on customizing it, but I can also view the update or preview right over here. So I can just say exclusive deal for LetX buyers only for today, right? And I can click on saying that how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to click on next. Maybe just add my settings over here, and as soon as I click save, you'll see that it will be updated in real time, and it's like a very kick-ass promo bar that you can now put up over there. Now you can obviously make this a lot more beautiful. You have all full customization options out there. but here is how it goes. It's just live in real time, right? And it's gonna be displayed in real time and be there for every visitor. Now we have also got several type of timers that you can play across, and all the type of customizations that you can do obviously over there. So this is how you can do put up a hello bar plus timer on your page in just ease. Similarly, what you can also do is you can create a central timer, embed that timer anywhere, and you can use some one of these timers. We have multiple options and templates over here. Right, so you can actually go ahead and do all of it out there. So what I'm going to do is click on go to back navigation. Now this is a very kick-ass thing as well. Now let's say demo camp again, right? And I'm just gonna, let's say google.com, right? Now what's going to happen with this is as soon as someone visits my website through any kind of a URL, and if they click on the back navigation over there, what's going to do is it's going to actually redirect those people to the website of my own choice. So if people are bouncing off, I have an option to take them to a drip page or a squeeze page and give them another chance to kind of stop. So I'm just going to click on back over here and see it takes me to google.com. It's because I added google.com over there out there as well. So that's one of the another kick-ass elements that we have got out here. So if I show you up another one, it's called exit mat. It's like a full page exit layover which comes over when someone is trying to exit the website. Again, it works really great out there. So I can just keep anything as my background type. I can keep my headline something like hey wait, I have a deal for you, right? Sub headline can be, this is a very special offer that we have put together for you, right? And I can use any kind of a media type or any kind of a library, but let me just go ahead and kind of pull in any some media from over here. So I can just enter the embed code of it. So I'm gonna go and generate the embed code, or maybe I can just use something from here only. So I just click on copy embed code. Right, I add the embed code over here. I can add sub headline saying very special for you, and I can add, see this guy say claim the offer. And when someone clicks on the offer, I want to redirect them to, let's say, letx.co, which is my website. And for no thanks, I can add my no thanks text. I can say what happens when someone clicks on no thanks. You can say close the pop-up or something like that. Now, if someone clicks on close button, you can obviously click them. And you also have the option to kind of customize the entire styling. Now, that's obviously maybe a part of one of the upgrades out there, but this is how it's going to look like. And you can obviously customize all of it if you want to customize this over, right? But what I'm going to do is, just for the sake of a demo right now, I'm just going to click on next, add the setting at the page perhaps where I want to show it, and boom, it's like live in real time. You don't have to add a code every time you're creating an element or something like that. As soon as you create it, it's like live out there, right over there. So if I'm going to try to exit from this page, what it's going to do is perhaps show me an exit mat, which is going to kind of stop me up. So I move out, you see it gives me this exit mat and clearly kills me the button to kind of click on no thanks, or kind of click on claim the offer. Now, which is a very kick-ass thing, guys. It actually helps you stop your people from exiting out of the website, and actually brings them back to your page as well. Now, one of the other options that we have got over here is something called autoplay videos. It's a very kick-ass feature. What you can do with this is now if you know, Chrome has kind of blocked all the autoplay videos on the page, which is kind of a very big sales killer. So using this, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and, let's say demo camp, and you can just enter the video URL over here. So I can enter the video URL from here itself, right? And as soon as I click on save, I can just go ahead and say I want to allow autoplay, I want to allow full screen. Now you add the condition over here, and as soon as I click send, it will be live in real time. I've already done this before, so I'm gonna be just refreshing the page for you guys to know. So it's gonna look like this, and it just says tap on video to enable sound. The video is auto playing. As soon as I click on tap, it's gonna play the sound as well. But let me stop that up for now. So this is how the autoplay video also works like. Let me move ahead and show you more elements that we have. So I showed a central timer already. We have hello bar, we have hello bar plus timer. We have tab messaging, which is kind of really kick-ass thing. You see the messages coming over here, or even now. Then we have back navigation, we have exit mat, and then there's this something really beautiful, something called bonus pop-up. In this bonus pop-up, what you can do is, you see, as a marketeer, you want to often give bonuses out there to people, but what is the best way to do it? We kind of identified that, and we say that the best way to do it is by showing the bonuses up on the page itself. So you do have kind of two templates. You can choose a fixed template, or you can use customizable template. I personally prefer the fixed one. So what you do is simply upload the images of your bonuses, right? And just put them over one by one, under each other. You can also drag drop them to kind of arrange them if you want to do that. And it asks you, how do you want to show your pop-up? So I usually prefer the chiclet option in the right center, and I say special bonuses, perhaps. In the headline, I say again special bonuses for LetX. In the CTA text, I can say claim access. In the redirect URL, I can just send them to any website as you want to. And then you can obviously customize them as well, but we have got the preset styling already in place. So this one is going to look like if someone is going to click over there. But so what I'm going to do is simply click on next. And you can obviously choose all the level there. It's like fully customizable. And as soon as I click on save, it will be saved in real time and also triggered in real time. So I'm going to go back to the page and show you how does it look like. You see, I've got this chiclet over here which says special bonuses. If I click on the special bonuses, it gives me a view of all the special bonuses that I have, and it's all in real time, guys. You just press one time enter over there. So you see, creating a campaign is really easy, and it actually helps you boost the conversion up to a great level. So this is like something really, really kick-ass. Now, what I can also do is perhaps, use all of those on any of the elements and, use a one-click affiliate page builder, something like that. But before that, I want to show you review boxes. It's one of the really another kick-ass features. So with this, what you do is you simply, let's say you say, demo camp, and so you basically enter the name of the person who's reviewing the website. So it can be myself, Vipul Garg, yours truly. So and then it asks me if you have something to upload. So let me just upload something from my own library. Maybe I can search my own image out there. Hang on, just give me 1 second. Just searching an image of myself. Yeah, I got it. So there you go. I am just uploading my image out there. I'm already there now. So you can choose something like parameter based or testimonial based. I want to say, let's say testimonial based. Let me enter my position out there. And I would say this is one of the best apps we have done so far. And you can also put up a third party testimonial. Obviously, I'm just, actually, let's look like this. Claim access, and you can obviously put up the CTA styling over there. So CTA text can be, let's say, 21, and when someone clicks over there, you can practically enter any website out there, and you can also show up a review on how it looks like. I can obviously go ahead and change the text and the background and everything. So I can just say update preview, and you see it is how it's going to look like, right? And I can just go ahead and see the background color. Okay, I think it'll be better. So yeah, so this is how it's going to look like. So I can just click on go next and show up on any page, right? As soon as I click on save, it's like saved in real time, and I can just go ahead and refresh over here, and I'll see the review box going live up over here. Okay, I'm sorry about this. This is this hello bar, which I think should have been on the top, but this is how the review box looks like. I can obviously go ahead and switch the hello bar off or put it on the top of the page so that it looks really kick-ass out everywhere, right? So what I'm going to do is kind of switch this campaign off for now. Yeah, so this is how I showed you something about review box. Now when you're done with review box, you can practically use it to create any one-click affiliate page builder as well. So let me just go ahead and kind of create an affiliate page builder. So I'll say demo camp, and you can practically put up any of your maybe, what do you call it, any of your affiliate URLs over here. So something like that, but I'm gonna put something like of our own URL. You can upload a favicon if you want to upload a favicon. You can use a tab messaging. If you want to use tab messaging, you can use a hello bar. If you want to use, you can use a hello bar with timer. You can use a bonus pop-up. right? You can use an exit mat. You just switch it on, right? And out of all the campaigns that you have made, it asks you which ones do you want to use, and it's gonna put all of them over there, right? So you just click on next, give your own page or your own social share meta title, meta description, keep your white label domain name, right, or keep this LetSetCom domain name. White label is a part of something, so out there, so you can just say maybe test 123, and obviously you can keep it as your brand name as well. So I'm just gonna write something random over here, and as soon as I click on save, it's gonna give me the URL. So on this URL, what it's gonna do is it's gonna open the LetEx.co website with my affiliate link out there and put up all the elements live on there, right? So you see it's got the element, it's got the exit map, it just came up, right? If you move to the next tab, it's going to put up the tab messaging as well out there, right? And when you do anything like that, so it's got everything over there, right? You also see the special bonuses pop up, so it really works kick-ass. So you see, creating all of the elements is really easy. It just takes hardly 1 minute to create any of the elements. When you're done creating any of the elements, you can put up all of those elements on one of your affiliate pages as well, and it really works perfect. So this is how you can practically do any of the things. It helps you boost your clicks like in real time. We have made over $50,000 using this same technique, and I think it works perfect. It is a must-have app for anyone marketing online, because it's kind of an essential toolkit, rather I would call it like that, that you certainly need. So this is all I have for the demo. Cheers, and look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you.